Okay. Hello, everyone. Thank you very much for coming to this stage. My name is Victoria Park. I came from the South Korea, and today I would like to present you our company called CHOWIS, who is a global manufacturer of the skin and hair solution. And today I would like to also explain you how the concept, the customer concept was changed before and after the pandemic. So first of all, let me start from our company presentation. So company was launched in 2012, and on the first 3 years, we were working fully on the OEM project with the global brands like L'Oreal, P&G. We also had the chance to work with Beiersdorf. And since 2016, we start to launch our own product, but we still continue to work on the OEM project with the global brands as well. Moving a little bit more in details, in 2013, it was the R&D project for the L'Oreal company. We developed for them all-in-one Android-based skin analysis solution. And in 2014, it was another great opportunity to work with the Procter & Gamble on the SK2 brand to develop for them the transparency solution. 2015, it was more of the Beiersdorf concept for the home skin analysis solution. And since 2016, as mentioned, we launched our own product, but continues to work with the big brands like Lancome, Estee Lauder, and Amore Pacific is the biggest cosmetic manufacturer in Korea. Probably most of you know a lot of brands like Tommy Moly, Etude House. It's all come from the Amore Pacific, as well as Sora is a premium brand from Amore Pacific. 2018, we still continue to work and invest a lot more for the R&D projects, and one of them was with a Japanese company called MTG. It was a project to mix the two concepts, home care devices with the skin analysis. Why? Because a lot of people don't know what their skin condition or how effective the home care devices are. So our solution can help you with that. And in 2019, we had the opportunity to move and extend to the Chinese market as well with the global brands. And we are every year trying to launch something new, either for the professional use or either for the home use. Thus, currently, we are very proud to say that we have the presence in more than 25 different countries. And what we're even more proud to say, it's about our database. Wherever you work with a skin and hair analysis company, the most important fact is about based on what kind of data it was built on. So for our site, we were working with the professional markets only, which means that our current users, most of them are professionals like dermatologists, aesthetic shops, beauticians, and so on. So we have the data gathered from more than 25 different countries as well. It's from the North, South America, as well as Europe, and we have even some customers in the CIS countries, and of course in Korea and Japan. In terms of the data, we have the more than 50 and 16 gigabyte of the images for the skin and hair. It's also collected based on the different ages and different ethnicities and even different genders, which is really important in our beauty industry. And here we have some of our partners, some of the Korean universities as well as some of Korean government organizations. And at the same time, we also working with the global brands to receive their feedback to improve our system and to provide a better quality product to the market. And of course, we are also collaborating with the professionals from that market. It can be either the dermatologists, it can be either some scientists or researchers, and so on, to provide more high quality that you will not find anywhere. What it can do? So the skin-wise, it has more than 10 or 15 different skin analyses. Like pores, wrinkles, sebum, what the skin condition has, you can all find out using just one device. For the hair, it can have the more than 10 different analyses as well, including the hair thickness, the sensitivity, as well as the sebum, and so on. So, for the product, if you are working in the professional industry like beauty salons, aesthetic shops, then we have the product like called Dermaprime that can be used both for skin and hair analysis. Or if you are more into the as a brand, like cosmetic brand, and you're searching some smart tool to promote your product, then we have the another product called DermaSmart, which also have the as a hair analysis solution as well as a skin analysis solution. Then we have also beautiful mirror with both functionalities. And the final product is our DermaPico, the mobile skin analyzer, as well as a mobile hair analyzer that you can use anywhere, at home, at work, any place. But if we will go a little bit bigger, like so far, and before the pandemic, most of people used to go to the beauty salons or used to go to the aesthetic shops to get the professional care of your skin and hair analysis solution. But we believe that with this pandemic, a lot of people actually refuse to go outside. They prefer to receive some professional skin analysis or hair analysis care at home. That's why we moved to the home concept and even the online concept, which is fully contactless. How it actually works? For the professional use, which is a B2B, what we used to do like so far, the concept is the customer came, you do the analysis, you show the result, and based on this result, you're doing the product recommendation. This is the concept of the B2B projects. But if we are talking more about the home use, how it works, the customer had the analyzer with your cosmetic brands or with your treatment already inputted inside of our program. Then they just have this small device, they install the application, they are doing all analysis, and they can send those analyses to their doctors or to their beauticians or aesthetic shops for the online consultation or the future treatment proposals. And this concept actually will help you not to lose your customers while you are on the pandemic, or if you will still be locked at home, you still can continue to work using the online consultation by providing the professional analysis using our devices. And if you are not really into the physical stores or physical places, but you are more into the online commerce or e-commerce, then we have the another solution called CHOWIS, which is a basically online platform where you can just take a selfie of your face and it will show you the different skin condition based on which the customer can purchase the right product. Nowadays, the biggest problem of the customer that they don't know what their skin conditions are, what is their skin type, what kind of problems they have, either it's pore or wrinkles, but they just buy the product based on the review. And it's like very often happen that sometimes a very nice brand, good branding with a nice pricing, they are actually going bad because of reputation of those reviews. But why it's happened? It's happened because customers buy the wrong product that doesn't suit their skin needs and skin condition. That's why they, of course, will give you the bad reviews. But by using our system, it will actually recommend exactly what require the buy customer needs. And based on this, you will not only improve the image of your company or brand. You can also provide some unique and personalized experience to every customer who visits your either online shop or to either your website. So, as you can see, we have different services, starting from the professional to home and even online services. Therefore, before, everyone used to go to the doctors and everyone used to get to those like professional consulting face-to-face. But nowadays, we believe that it will become more contactless and contactless. Therefore, we have some solution either for using the kiosk or using the home-based concept with the online consultation later on with the doctor and cosmeticians. Same for the hair concept. And what is also most important is to understand the behavior of the customer later on. That's why, in addition to our home concept, we're also proposing you our Partner DB. It's a web service, which is kind of the statistical web service that collect all information about where your customer locating, what kind of climate environment data there, what kind of product the customer purchased there, and at the end, what kind of product they review. So it will all help you to get the right data about your customer, to have the right forecast for the next year or maybe next quarter, what kind of product to launch better, what kind of products better not to launch. And in spite we are moving to our home and contactless solution, we still continue to develop something new. And here what we are planning to do is to add a pH analysis to the skin measurement. We already launched actually full facial analysis that you can experience in our booth anytime during the exhibition, and we have this portal for managing all the database with all the statistic information there that will help you to do the forecast for the next quarter. And finally, every 3 months we try to launch something new. It can be either the new measurement or it can be either the new development in terms of the hardware. Same for the hair project. What we are currently working on is 500 magnified camera that will allow you to see the hair damages of your hair. And it's also the hair loss, as you know, like depending on the gender, it has a different pattern. So this is what we can actually help the doctors or even help just a normal person to understand. Either they have some points or some maybe messages, small messages that they have the hair loss and they really need to go to the professional to get some treatment, professional treatment. Otherwise, we can kind of prevent them from losing the hair loss if it's early stage. So, and as mentioned, also same for the skin. For every 3 years, we're trying to launch something new. So basically, if before we were only focusing on the B2B market and we were only thinking about that, yes, all this skin hair care in industry, it's more like focusing on the professional use. But now with this pandemic, we see that the home care concept and online-based solutions is what will be our future. Thank you very much for your attention. And here, just as the last, is our appendix, like from the L'Oreal project that we used to work together, the SK2 projects. We also have worked currently on the nail analysis solutions, as well as some of the professional personalized cosmetics brands, business models. So we actually have the solutions for different business models for brands, for distributors. We have like some solution for B2C or retailer. So if you will have any questions, just let me know anytime. Thank you.